You're never going to make any money online until you realize or you truly understand this. To make $100,000 a year is simply 100,000 divided by 365 days in a year. You need to make $273.97. Let's just say you need to make $274 a day. It is a math problem. The next thing you need to understand is you need a proven strategy. Affiliating, it is my 9-step roadmap to building a profitable online business. A profitable online business, the money that you make versus the money that you spend to create or build and operate your business. And a business is built on 3 things. First thing, traffic. Second thing, offer. Third thing, people. My proven top strategy inside of affiliating to build a profitable online business, 9-step roadmap starts with step number 1. These are simple things that you need to understand. And exactly this is what I would do if I was starting from scratch in 2025. I would pick a topic. Then I would understand that I need some tools and understand some technology and the time to do number 3, which is to create consistent content. But we're getting ahead of ourselves. Just like at the beginning, we need to understand that simple math problem. We need to understand that this simple strategy, you can't do number 3 without doing number 2. And there's no reason to try to look for tools and be even thinking about the technology or trying to set aside time until you've set aside the time to pick a topic. But we will fast forward a little bit because there is a tool, AI, that can help you pick a topic or can help you understand that if you just decide on a topic, you can jump right in to Tools, Tech, and Time. And that simple tool is AI. Here in 2024, as we head into 2025 and beyond, AI is going nowhere. So understand, if I wanted to pick a topic and my topic is create me a plan, and a topic is simply just a problem statement or a problem that you're going to find and figure out a solution for a group of people. So in this case, create me a plan and a formula in a Google Sheet to keep track of the money I spend daily with the goal to save money for a summer vacation. A topic. My topic is saving money for summer vacation or for vacations or for anything really. But just think of this very simplistic problem and say, now create me a plan and a formula on a Google Sheet, and understand that I'm using Gemini to focus in on a topic for saving money by using Google Sheets, or Google Sheets is actually the solution, but I need to show that I can help people by actually helping them. So the idea here is I'm using AI not to come up with a plan to make money, but come up with a plan to show people how I can help them solve a problem or pick a topic. Then you understand here, create a daily spending tracker in Google Sheets, step-by-step guide. And at this point, we're learning. Unless you already know how to use Google Sheets or you know how to do something else, I'm not telling you to do this topic. I'm giving you an example. Understand now that you just go through here and you have a formula here and you have some additional tips. You even just can export this to Sheets and you can show people how to do this. And then your topic becomes, you want to save money and you want to go on summer vacation? Use Google Sheets. And by consistently tracking your daily expenses, you can gain valuable insights into your spending habits and make informed decisions to achieve your savings goal for your summer vacation. Would you like to delve deeper into a specific aspect of the spreadsheet? Now, pretend for a second that we go back to the understanding that we need a plan. And inside of affiliating, the profitable online business, understanding that now that we know that we need traffic to an offer and add people to an email list to build this profitable business, these are the foundational pillars, the building blocks. And we first need to pick a topic, and understanding that there's tools, tech, and time that are required to actually build a business. But also in tools, tech, and time, we can stop and pause and say, one of the tools and the technology that I can use is AI. In this case, Google Gemini is free, and you just saw me come up with an idea and a topic to start creating consistent content about using Google Sheets to fundamentally build a process in my life to start saving money to fund a summer vacation. This is now your topic that you're going to present in your consistent content. Then you're going to move up to offer and you're going to think, well, now I need to create a super simple lead magnet. But again, you're ahead of the game. You're putting the cart in front of the horse and you're trying to do these things, right? You're trying to do so much because if you're starting from the very beginning, you need to wipe off the board. You need to say, let me just focus, right, on generating traffic for 6 months. Let me pick a topic and let me just use that topic as an example, or that example that we used as the perfect example. And the thing that you need to understand, first, we have a math problem. We need to figure out how to make $274 a day. Well, what if we utilize some tools and some tech and spent time to create consistent content here on YouTube about that topic, just like I dove into it in Google Gemini. And now I know I can use Google Sheets and I can come up with a plan to actually utilize a Google Sheet, which is all free, by the way. And I can show people what I've done and what I've accomplished by following through and creating a Google Sheet, give them a Google Sheet, create that consistent content here on YouTube in 6 months to a year, get monetized, start making money from AdSense, and say, now I'm making money from AdSense. Let me just add that to the math problem or subtract the money that I'm now making from AdSense from that total 274 I need to make, and then start thinking about other ways, but not before you develop a plan to be able to spend enough time to accomplish the task of creating a traffic source here on YouTube by creating consistent content. But we have still put the cart before the horse, because here in traffic, now we have a topic. Our topic is simply going to be to show people how to save money and to track expenses using Google Sheets so we know where our money's going. The tools and the tech and the time that we need to create consistent content, we need to be able to record our screen like what I'm doing now. So just go and use my recommendation for ScreenPal. Yes, you're going to have to spend a little bit of money, and you're going to be like, oh, man, I want to do this for free. Well, if you want to make money, you got to spend a little money, or you need to invest in yourself. So you're spending your time wisely and you're putting forth a little bit of effort and, yes, a little bit of money, $7.50 a month for the maximum plan to record your screen to let people know that you have a solution for them and create this consistent content. Now you've invested your time wisely. You have a tool and technology to record your screen to develop your consistent content. Now you're ready. Now you're ready to present your offer. And your offer in this case is just going to be a template that you design, or a template that you go find that you can be an affiliate for, and you can earn a commission as an affiliate marketer, meaning that you can go get a link and you promote it, and then you earn a commission for promoting that product when someone buys it through your link. A super simple lead magnet in this case needs to be built to let people know about that offer, that potential solution to their problem. Then you might want to add a bonus and deliver that bonus. And then you might want to come up with more offers around or for the solution of this topic, and then create multiple super simple lead magnets. But again, you're getting ahead of yourself. How do I create a super simple lead magnet? You need a set of tools and understand the technology, because you want to get ready to build an email list. Well, what if there was a tool and technology, or if you could get all the technology under one roof in a simple tool, which you can, and you can actually start for free with System.io. Talked about it here on the channel. It's super simple. And now we have a plan, and then we'll move to step 8 eventually, and we'll automate that. But we don't need to worry about that right now, because remember where we're still at. We're still down here thinking about, okay, let's be realistic in how long this is going to take us, and understand that we have a math problem that we know the answer to now. We also have a proven strategy here in the top strategy: traffic to an offer, people to an email list. 9 simple steps to get the profit, which is meaning that we know we have to spend some money to start creating consistent content, but we also know we're going to spend 6 months to a year. We're going to start getting paid by YouTube just by simply helping people and show them how to use Google Sheets for free to track their spending and save some money for that great summer vacation. And then we're going to move to the next step, right? And we're going to do all that. So understand that if you want to make money online in 2025 and beyond. You just need to understand and a little bit of focus on a proven strategy, my top strategy, and solve the math problem, which we already did. And now you understand exactly what you need to do. And if you're ready to make money online in 2025, I have a link in the description that's going to break this down into simple steps for you to flip what I call the money switch and get started today. Because all you need to do today is click the link in the description, head over there, understand that you just need to find your switch and get ready to flip it. And then you're on your way to making money online in 2025 and beyond. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.